everybody, so today it is the last day in Singapore. We're heading to the airport very shortly. It is around 4 a.m. We have to head out soon because our flight is around 6:30. But yeah, super exciting because our next stop is going to be Japan. So let's get going. Currently on the train to our bullet train, and then we're gonna go to Osaka.
成田エクスプレス36号新宿行きです。途中空港第2ビル東京品川渋谷に停車いたします。座席はすべて指定となっておりますので、お手持ちの指定券をお確かめください。グリーン
So good, babe. ¿Tiene mayo? What? So simple, but so delicious.
Why didn't you let me know you're opening it?
What do you mean?
You open it.
I was already eating. I was right next to you, babe.
Right there.
Uh-oh. They messed up.
Is now departing. Please stand clear of the crossing.
We are currently heading to our hotel, and then we're gonna rest out. Alright guys, we just got to our hotel. We are exhausted. Like, transportation in Japan, it's easy, but also it's very stressful. So anyways, I am gonna go and do a room tour right now to show you guys our hotel. Slippers! Thank you, thank you. Yeah, let me put on my slippers and show you guys the room tour. Alright, so once you enter the room, to the left of the closet, there's this section to put coats and everything. This section to put like your suitcases and stuff, a mirror, and then here is your bathroom. Wow, this is really big for a Japanese bathroom. Holy, we got a vanity room, like a vanity table right here. We have double sink, and considering that we're in Japan, the fact that we have a double sink, this is insane. Here we have a shower and a tub, also very insane because all the hotels that I stayed at are like extremely small. And then we have like a bathroom right here with a bidet. Now here you have all the stuff that you need from your bathroom: body towel, hairbrush, razor, cleansing cream, toothbrush, and all the necessities. And then here when you come out, let's open and see what this is all about. Ooh, babe, look. Wow, Nespresso. This is literally the machine that we have at home, babe.
Yeah. That is.
We have a Nespresso machine, got some green tea, a kettle, got some cups right here, which is nice. So I can have like a cup of tea. We have a safe right here, some drawers, a refrigerator. We got a TV right here. And this is the pan of our room. We got like this whole like sofa situation. Our bed is huge. It's a king size bed. And then let me show you guys the view. We got 2 windows. Oh wow, babe. This is stunning. I don't know if the camera will pick up. Here, I gotta do this. Ooh. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm exhausted and I just need to freshen up. And I'll start our Osaka adventures tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Remember to comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for the next video. Bye! I'm gonna get one of these.